If you've been wondering, how do I get the YouTube community tab? You are in the right spot. Great news for all beginner and small YouTube creators. Previously, you had to have 1,000 subscribers to have the community tab enabled. But currently, in 2022, you can get the community tab enabled at 500 subscribers. This was made official by YouTube in October 12th of 2021. I started my YouTube channel in March, so I can speak from my own personal experience. I had to wait about a week or so until the feature was enabled on my YouTube studio, so please keep in mind that this may not be an automatic thing. Good news is I didn't have to email YouTube or anything. I just had to be patient and wait about a week, and then the feature was there. This tab is very useful for a few different reasons that I'm going to go over really quick. To make a post under your community tab, log on to your YouTube studio, and underneath your icon or profile picture, look to the far right. There's an icon there, and it will allow you to now make a community post. I have used it, and you can post behind the scenes pictures to share with your subscribers, to conduct polls, and to get feedback from your audience on questions that you may be considering. You can also share GIFs and links to other videos, your videos also. It can help grow your YouTube channel and reach new people, not just the people that are already subscribed to your channel. So really, the possibilities are endless because it's giving you more reach, which is good. I hope this video was helpful. How will you be using the community tab? All comments welcome down below. If you're just starting your YouTube journey or you're a small creator, best of luck to you on your journey, and I wish you all success. Peace, love, and blessings, everyone. Bye-bye.